Hi guys, I'm Thuy and today I want to give you a challenge. I want to give you a 12-day essential oils challenge. So essential oils have been critical for me in my lifestyle, and it's a great spiritual tool. It is also something I prescribe to my clients in Chinese face reading. Some people are more sensitive than others, and the effects of essential oils can be uplifting, can change your vibration, remove negative energy, and also restore balance in so many ways. A lot of people are confused with it and they don't know what to use or how to use it. So on this challenge, I'm going to show you how, all the different ways, what each smell can do for you. Some of them can be calming, some of them can bring you more energy, some of you can give you more good sleep, and also more clarity, right? We all need clarity and focus. So on this challenge, you're going to just use one a day so that you can really feel the benefits of it, and then the next day you're going to switch and use another one. This program is absolutely free to you. The only thing is you gotta buy the kit. So the kit is incredible and it's the best deal that I've found. And this will be a great introduction for you. So in this kit, you're gonna get 12 oils and it's packaged like this. There's also 2 others right here. And it also includes these rollers so you can change it out so you can use it on your skin and apply it. You're also gonna get a diffuser. And then you're going to also get some extra bonuses from the company in house cleaners and also a juice and a hand sanitizer. The wonderful thing about this is that it is all organic, the highest grade, and also able to use it with your kids. So to get the kit, it's from Young Living. You can order it online at youngliving.com and then become a member. When you become a member, you're going to get the wholesale pricing that I get as well, and there's going to be an option for you below to say who's your referring associate, and so you just put in my associate number so that I can get the information and then I can contact you. When I contact you, I'll ask you a series of questions to see where you want to be energetically, spiritually, and physically, and which oils are going to be maybe better for you. But we're going to go through all the oils, and this will be a wonderful tool for you to use for yourself and for your family, and I hope that we get to know each other better as well. So I'm looking forward to connecting with you and doing this challenge with you.